Hey, hi guys, mabuhay. Welcome back to the adventures of Miss Chuchabels. And if you're new to my channel, I am Victoria. So for today, I'm going to do something that I've always loved doing in my channel, is trying on lipsticks. I think I should change my channel name to Lipstick Love or something, but I do love doing this, and this time around we're going to try Swatch and give you my first impression thoughts on another Filipino brand. It's from the Vice Ganda Cosmetics, and it's her Little Ponies matte lipstick, liquid lipstick collection. So, Victoria, oh my goodness. So, if you want to see how it actually swatches, see me try it on, and know my first impression thoughts, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started! Okay guys, let's get started with this first impression swatch on try on video. I don't have anything on my lips, and I have the Vice Ganda Little Ponies collection. I do have a few lipsticks of Vice Ganda Cosmetics, and for you guys who doesn't even know who Vice Ganda is, but I doubt that if you're in the Philippines, for sure you do know who Vice Ganda is. But for those who are not in the Philippines and who are not Filipinos, actually Vice Ganda is a Filipino comedian, and she started as a television presenter and actor, singer. She's very well known and well loved. I personally like her. She launched this cosmetic line in 2017, which was last year, and I've always wanted to try her lipsticks because I've heard so much about it. I've watched it on YouTube, from Filipino YouTubers, and they always had this great reviews, and it made me interested because this lipstick collection, or her cosmetics, are actually designed and formulated in Los Angeles, USA. And another thing that I love about this brand is the tagline that she has, this Ganda for All, which is, Ganda means beautiful, so it's like being beautiful, beauty for everybody. I'll just read it because I do believe and I love what they stand for. We believe everyone deserves to look and feel beautiful, no matter the age, no matter the gender, no matter the shape, no matter the class, no matter the color. That's why we made the finest cosmetic accessible to all. I forgot how much this Little Pony collection is, but let's start swatching. It does come with 4 mini lipsticks. This is how it looks like, and I do have the full size liquid lip. So let's start with the first color, which is Little Pony. So this is how it looks like, and the applicator is like this. It does have this vanilla scent, so if you're quite sensitive to fragrance, it's just something that you need to take note of. It's a pleasant smell actually. It's like vanilla and buttercream. This is how Little Pony looks like. Can you see it when you swatch? And let's try. I like the color. So this is Little Pony. It is pigmented, but you do have to dip in twice. Once for the top of your lips and another one for the bottom. I do feel it's drying, but it's drying down. But it doesn't feel like my lips feels dry. So we'll move on to the next color, but I have to remove this first. And maybe because it's a matte liquid lipstick, I need a help of either a micellar water or an oil-based gentle makeup remover. We'll see, and I'll let you know in a bit. Okay, Little Pony removed. So let's move on to the next one, which is Little Benjamin. This is actually how it looks like. And when you swatch it, again, it does have this vanilla buttercream scent. This is how Little Benjamin looks like. And let's try it on. Oh, this is nice. It does give you like this pinkish, mauvish, but it does, I feel like all the shades would actually suit any skin tone, especially for Filipino skin tone. You may be fair, kayo manggi, or like a little bit tanner, which is good. It does dry down matte. It's a little bit tacky, but I don't mind. Okay, let's move on to the next color, and the next color would be Whoops Kiri. I like the lipstick, the shade names that she actually has. So Whoops Kiri looks like this, and when you swatched it, it does look similar to Benjamin, but this color is a bit patchy even when I tried to swatch it. So this is Whoops Kiri. It looks similar. Let's see. So Whoops Kiri does look like a bit Benjamin, but it a little more darker. When I was applying it, I felt that it was a little bit patchy because I have to go through it like several times to make it like even when I was applying it. But like the other, like the colors are not, the color is nice actually. So I do like it. I think from this collection I will not be able to give anything away. Okay, so let's move to the last and final color, which is Little Girly. So Little Girly looks like this, and when you swatch it, oh, this is how it actually looks like. This is like more of a reddish brown nude. Let's try it. I like this. So this is Little Girly. It's already dried off. They do say that it's smudge proof and transfer proof. So let's do the kiss test at the back of my hand, and let's see. Okay, because it's not fully dried yet, I think, but you can just see there's this a little bit of transfer just because it's not fully dried. I think when it's fully dried, it would be really transfer proof. So I'll be wearing this the whole day because we're about to eat lunch, and let's see whether it would hold up. I'll be eating like chicken rice maybe. So guys, I'm back. So I just finished having my lunch with my brother at the hawker center downstairs, and this is how Little Girly looks like after eating. I ate fish soup and fried rice with chicken, the fried chicken. So as you can see, it's like totally almost it's like gone. I still have a few like tints at the perimeter of my lips, but as in, yeah, there's bald spots on my lips right now. So if they do say that it's long lasting, I think it's long lasting as long as you don't eat. Maybe if you drink, it's quite bearable. But let me touch up my makeup first and retouch my lips, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Okay, I'm back. I've retouched my makeup and I changed my lipstick to the Little Benjamin. Okay, so what are my final thoughts for this first impression? I do love the colors of the Vice Ganda Little Pony collection. I love the shades. I can't even choose which one I need to like pass on to somebody, because I do usually try to cut and give some to my friends, just because I don't even know whether I can use all the colors. But for this collection, I love all the colors, that I'm going to be selfish, that I'm going to give it to myself. I'll give it to myself. No, I'll keep it for myself. And secondly, I love how it's easy for me to actually remove the lipstick. All I need is actually, all I need is micellar water and a cotton pad, and you can actually remove it without you trying to fight with your lips. But having said that, when you are wearing this for quite some time, you would actually feel that your lips is starting to dry, because it is a liquid matte lipstick, but it's dry to the point that it's still comfortable. So I would highly advise, if you're like have dry lips like mine, you have to wear this lipstick over a lip balm, or just make sure that your lips are moisturized. So I think it would lessen the feeling of it being dry, something like that. It does dry down to a matte finish. It intense color, good color payoff. You only need like 1, 2, 3 swipes. Although some of the colors, like the darker colors, the Whoops Kiri and the Little Girly, it does have like some patches or patchy at times. So you just have to take that in consideration. And when it comes about long lasting is when I had my lunch, or because I think I had an oily lunch. Oily food for lunch, that it didn't stay on as long as I wanted to. But having said that, but if you're just drinking, you're not eating, I think you're good. So I love this collection. I can't wait to try the other lipstick that I do have from Vice Ganda Cosmetics. It would be on another video. So I need to end this video now, because I know I've been rambling for quite some time. But have you tried any Vice Ganda lipsticks? How do you feel about it? So what's your favorite color? Is it the liquid lipstick or the traditional lipstick in a bullet form? Let me know. So I can't wait to read your comments and maybe learn some tips and tricks on how you can make this last. That's it. So if you do like this type of videos wherein I try lipsticks and so on and so forth, please give this video a big thumbs up, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload every Wednesdays and Saturdays. Till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!